seen our patient. She has a very good degeneration of the face. Now she looks younger, and we will use the same procedures for what?
For the hip, she has an impingement in her right hip that is starting to erode the cartilage. So we'll do a combined procedure to do the plastic procedure and the aesthetic procedure with the hip procedure at the same time, using the same source of stem cells.
So explain. When we have on the face aging, we lose fat, we lose fibrotic tissue, we lose volume finally. And in the articulation, in the joint,
yeah, it's unfortunately the same. So we also lose the cartilage, we lose the tissues inside. So we want to regenerate this to overcome the aging process.
That's great. So today we will harvest the fat, the superficial fat with dermal graft. On our patients, we will extract the stem cells by a selective filtration. I will inject the face.
And I'll inject the hip.
Super,
okay, thank
go.
you. Let's go. Our patient has a degenerative condition in her right hip in which the cartilage is really damaged and we need something that is not surgical. So the only option we have to do is injecting stem cells. So what we are doing is a combined procedure. She had also an aesthetic procedure for her face, which was very good results at the last time. So we'll repeat this process. Also, we'll combine this with part of stem cell injection into her right.
So Zane, we are here ready to do our treatment, orthopedic and face, but you did the face too, and your result is great. Do you like?
Yeah, I think with every day it gets better and better.
Get better, and now we have a stable result because we made the treatment 5 months ago, I think.
Yes.
And so it's a permanent result. I love the nose, I love the lips, super.
I love it too.
And now I'm dressed with this super heavy dress for protection of X-ray because our colleague orthopedic is making all the procedures by guidance. Yes.
Here we can see the pencil impingement. And sure, here is the degeneration of the articular cartilage.
Now we are injecting our local anesthesia, first of all, on the hips. The syringe is filled by my fat. In the meantime, our needle for the hip is ready in position. So I'm harvesting the superficial fat, the dermal fat, in order to inject on the hips. So it's a combined treatment of aesthetic medicine, regenerative medicine, and orthopedic. This is our fat. Our fat is mixed with blood. So now we have to process our fat. Yes, simply, we push the plunger, we pull the plunger, we wait a little bit. The fat particles go in the upper part of the syringe, but the stem cells are entrapped in the second filter, which is a 20 micron filter. You see that the color change from orange. And first of all, we do our aesthetic treatment. We treat the hands. The hands lose volume with aging, and that's why our derm graft, our superficial fat, is very effective in order to feel the hands. So by this feeling, the veins are covered, the tendons are covered, and the hands looks younger. This is the first treatment, and you can see the difference between the treated hand, this one, and the other hand. After that, let's insert our needle at the level of the joint and let's inject our term graft. In this case, the role is not to fill but to improve the regeneration of the cartilage. And let's see, injection, perfectly done.